Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to purchase commitment tier pricing for Azure AI services. Azure AI offers commitment tier pricing, allowing discounted rates compared to the pay-as-you-go pricing model. With commitment tier pricing, we can commit to use the Azure AI services features for a fixed fee, which will enable us to have a predictable total cost based on the needs of our workload. There are services, not all Azure AI services, which offers commitment tier pricing. Some of them are speech to text, text to speech, text translation, language understanding standard, Azure AI language, sentiment analysis, key phrase extractions, language detection, named entity recognition, Azure AI vision or OCR, document intelligence, custom and invoice. We cannot use commitment tier pricing with an Azure AI service or an Azure AI Foundry multi-service resource. We must use resources dedicated to single services such as speech or translator resource. I'm going to quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I'm logged on to the portal. I will create a new resource like this. And I will click on Azure AI Services. I'll create a resource and type in form recognizer. Here it is. Document intelligence form recognizer. Here it goes. And I will select my subscription. I'll create a new resource group, East, and I will give it a name. Test ASAR FR, form recognizer. I will go with standard, because with free resource model, as you have seen in the previous video, some of the features are not available. Okay, I'll go for next option, which is network. I'll leave it as it is. For identity as well, I will leave it as it is. And then click on review create. I'll hit create. It's initializing the deployment. I'll pause the video and come back. Okay, this is done. I'm going to go to my resource. Here it is. Now in my Azure resource, I will have the feature which is called commitment tier pricing. So I'll search for it where it is. Under resource management, if you will type in commitment tier pricing, you will get this option. Once you are at this option, you can select change to view the available commitment for hosted API and container usage. Choose a commitment plan for one of or more of the offerings, like for web-based APIs, for connected container, Docker containers that enable you to deploy Azure AI services on premises, and maintain an internet connection for billing and metering, right? And then let's say I select on this change. It says commitment tier. Now, when this option appears, you will select the commitment tier for the feature. The commitment tier is enabled immediately when you select purchase, and you are charged the commitment amount on a prorated basis. So be very conscious. And then manage your plan, auto renew with the same settings. So choose how you want to renew, change or cancel the current commitment plan, starting with the next billing cycle. If you decide to auto renew, the auto renewal date is the date in your local time zone when you will be charged for the next billing cycle. This date coincides with the start of the calendar month, right? And once you select purchase, you will be charged for the tier you select. Once purchased, the commitment plan is non-refundable. Commitment plans are charged monthly except the first month upon purchase, which is prorated, which is for the cost and quota based on the number of days remaining in that month, right? For the subsequent months, the charge is incurred for on the first day of the month. And if you use the resources above the quota provided, you are charged for the additional usage as per the overage amount mentioned in the commitment tier. You want to purchase a different commitment plan. All the commitment plans have a calendar month commitment period. You can purchase a commitment plan at any time from the default pay-as-you-go pricing model. Same way, you will be charged for a prorated price for the remaining month. You want to end a commitment plan. If you decide that you don't want to continue purchasing a commitment plan, you can set your resources auto renewal to do not auto renew. This option, right? And after a specific date, like after 31st of May, because I'm enabling it on 6th of May, right? So you won't be charged for the commitment plan. All right. So this is what I want to, I'm not purchasing it because it will be added to my bill and I don't want that. I just wanted to show you how it is done. I hope this was informative for all of you. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.